Hello, my name is Timothy Unkert and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to get double quotes inside of a JavaScript string, even if it's surrounded by double quotes. To illustrate this concept, I've pulled up VS Code and I have a folder called double quotes, and I'm going to create two files, an index.html file and a script.js file. So let's go do that. So I'm going to create an index.html file and also a script.js file. In my index.html file, I'm going to create a simple HTML framework with an Emmet abbreviation. And at the bottom of the file, I'm going to pull in the JavaScript file. And I'm going to save that. And then in my JavaScript file, I'm just going to console log the string, hello, my name is Tim, with Tim surrounded by double quotes. Okay, so I'm going to type console.log, and then inside of double quotes, we're having the string, hello, my name is Tim. And then I'm going to end it and put a semicolon at the end. And you may notice we're getting a little warning here. I'm going to go live. I have a live server installed, so I'm going to click on that. And we'll see this, and we have to go to our developer tools. So let's go here to our developer tools. And we're seeing that we're getting this error coming up, okay? And actually, let me refresh that. So now we're getting this little error here, missing a parentheses after the argument list, okay? And to handle double quotes inside of a JavaScript string surrounded by double quotes, I need escape characters. So in front of each of these double quotes, I need a / like here and here. Now, if I do that and I go ahead and now refresh, you'll see, hello, my name is Tim. All right. So it comes up and now Tim is surrounded by double quotes. So that's how you do it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really helps the channel grow. I'll also include some of my social links in the description if you'd like to check those out. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.